Okay, so hypothetically speaking, of course, would you be more apt to play hooky on a 90-degree day like we've had, or a day like today?
Oh, nice weather. 90.
Yeah.
You think?
In the summer, absolutely.
Huh.
Yeah. I get why people like cloudy and showery days for like focus or whatever, but we have like 6 months of the year to focus.
That's a great
I
way
don't
to look
think
at it.
it being nice out is going to be a
Meanwhile,
huge
Keith
problem.
doesn't focus any of the months.
Ever. A little more during the winter. It's just not much though, yeah. Today was one of those days, if you had work to do inside, it was good. Even outside was okay. It didn't rain that much yet, but it was sticky. Dew points in the 60s, uncomfortable on our scale here, and almost oppressive in a couple of spots. Depends where you were. We had some sun in Bangor down East Maine, didn't really have any in southern Maine and into the mid-coast, and here comes some rain. We had a couple of sprinkles, but some real rain coming in from the south. Pretty promising looking. Again, I've been trying to figure out exactly where this is going to swing into. At that point, it's just kind of a plot where it's going and where it's likely to spin into, and it looks like it'll be just into the mid-coast, just north of Portland, but doing pretty well into York County now too. So there's some downpours in here and some reports down in Massachusetts of 2 or 3 inches of rain, and believe it or not, some runoff issues there. That's what happens sometimes when you're in a drought and then it rains heavily. Either way, I would take the rain. I think you're better off. So some downpours will be off and on through the first half of the night at least, then over central and northern Maine through the second half of the night. By tomorrow morning, we wake up and it's cloudy in a lot of spots, some fog along the coastline too, and then it's a mixture of sun and clouds through late morning through the middle of the day. I actually think that part of the day is pretty good. Temperatures in the 70s, and then we pop up some showers and storms, and once again, because we still have this same air mass in place, a chance for these downpours within them, some heavy precipitation possible with those showers and storms. And then we get that front through. Our air mass changes a bit here on Wednesday, and Wednesday looks like a nice day into the 80s, mixture of sun and clouds, isolated shower or storm both Wednesday and Thursday, but very isolated. I think they likely end up dry for most of us. So here's your forecast for tomorrow. Inland, again, you can see the best chance of rain is really in the late afternoon into the evening, and it's probably dry through the first half of the day, even though there are clouds around. Muggy, and then the front sweeps that away on Wednesday. Again, both Wednesday and Thursday have a non-zero chance of a shower or storm, but it's pretty low. I think those days are nice. And then some showers and storms come in again on Friday afternoon, but that should sweep the air clean in time for the weekend, which I think looks good to me right now, upper 70s and some sun. The only part of the weekend I would say we have to keep an eye on is maybe Saturday morning. If that front slows down a bit, then Saturday morning wouldn't be as good, but I think the balance of the weekend is good either way. And then model battle next week, GFS versus the Euro. GFS has it into the 90s, the Euro has us just about normal. So we'll see when we get there. But a couple of chances for some downpours. Typically, thunderstorms don't get it done with a drought, but this type can help because it's like a big glob of showers and storms. So
I will say, just from the rain that we've gotten recently, my plants look so much better.
yeah, everything
Every
improved
little
just
bit
a
helps.
little
Better.
bit for sure. Yeah.
All right, thanks, Keith.